Hello everyone, this is Nancy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm going to be working with Aleene's DIY Craft Heavy Duty Adhesive. Dries clear, non-foaming, indoor-outdoor, and ideal for wood, metal, stone, glass, fabric, and more. And today I'm going to be using some glass beads from Dollar Tree, the flat back ones, some push pins, and some paint markers. So we're gonna make some colorful push pins for our dorm rooms, for the our, what is it called? Our cork boards. Our cork, yeah, cork. I'm sorry, too early in the morning for this. But this is what I'm going to be using to attach the push pins to the back of the glass thing. So this is metal, this is glass. So according to this, glass and metal. So we're going to try that out. So we're going to use our pens and turn the back of these guys over. Let's see, I'm gonna try to get. Let's try this one. It's gonna be little itty bitty. So we're gonna draw a line down the middle, and then some dots. We're making some ladybug push pins. Ladybugs, ladybugs. We probably need a couple coats there, so we're gonna let that dry a little bit and then come back. Okay, we're back, and we're let these dry a little bit so that they're dry. So I did all the other beads. We're gonna use now the red, and I'm using Winston's markers. They don't have colors on them, so I wouldn't know what color to tell you that these are, but I'm using, hopefully this is a good red. So we're gonna just paint over the black here, and it's going to need a couple coats. Oh, I don't think the black was dry. No, the black wasn't dry. So we're gonna let the black dry a little bit. Actually, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. Instead of the marker, I'm gonna go get some acrylic paint to paint these. I'll be right back. So we're back. I redid this one, and I'm gonna be using this outdoor folk art paint in engine red to paint the back of these guys. Yep. Let's do this. I'm gonna put the paint on top of here.
This lamp right here is
Make it easy.
Everything. I don't think I've ever seen one like that before. I've seen owl lamps, but I don't think I've ever seen a raccoon.
So we're just gonna.
It's delightful. I would not have anywhere to put that.
Definitely gonna need several coats of this.
Neat. I love the shelves in here. They're great.
So I'm gonna do that. Let these first coats dry.
Always chipped out. These are in good condition.
Probably need 3 coats or
I love
something.
the contrast colors. Sometimes they're orange. I like the blue and the green.
And once I do that, I'll come back and we'll be able to add the push pins.
Perfume here.
I'll be right back.
That is
Okay, we're back, and it took me 5 coats to cut. Look, you can still see it, but from the front, it looks pretty cool. There you go. Took 5 coats to do that. Now we're going to use the Aleene's heavy duty adhesive. We're going to put a dollop on the back of these and then add the push pins. Go back down. There we go. So it has a little cap. I'm not sure how much we need, but enough to ooh, I took the cap off. Hold on. It must be thick. Or do I have to cut the top? Do I have to cut that top off? Let's see if we have to cut that top off. Let's cut it. There we go. I think we just had to cut that top off. Oh! That was too much. I'll fix that in a second. So we're going to just put a little dollop and then add the push pin. And does it say how long it takes to dry? Let's see. Formula dries clear and is water and UV resistant. Directions. Let dry 2 to 4 hours. Right there. Right there. Let dry 2 to 4 hours. So we'll come back in 2 to 4 hours and see how these guys are doing. And I'll add a photo at the end on a bulletin board. That's the word I was looking for at the beginning. The cork thing is a bulletin board. Duh. So we're gonna just add the glue, add the push pin, and then after this you'll see them in use. And I'm almost done here. Right there. And then this one here, I need to wipe off some of that glue from the side. There we go. We don't want that glue on the side. It seems easy to easy flow. We got, oh, this one, there we go. We got 8 push pins that you can see the glue right there. There we go. Move these up a little. So in 2 to 4 hours, these will be all set and ready to use. So some of them moved because I moved them. There we go. That's good. That's good. It's good. This moved too. There we go. Get them as centered as possible. Okay. Then we'll close it up. So until next time, be brave, be strong, and create some dorm decorations for your child with Aleene's heavy duty adhesive. We're doing with these push pins. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.